All right, here we come to the elevators at the Horticulture building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These got two different elevator variations of the control panel layout, and you'll see what I mean when we go in. This one's going to be coming in. This one's from 1991. 5. These travel 200 feet per minute.
Okay.
That is a sick fan. Go and set it down to 1, James.
Okay.
There's your phone. This is a tall cab. We got James and Matthew joining along today.
Yeah.
Your fixtures. All right, now once this elevator leaves, can you call the other one?
Sure.
This one on the far right is from 1983. That one that we just came off is from 1991.
Okay.
I'm going in.
Okay.
And send it up to 6. 5, I meant. You see, this one is from 1983.
Okay.
I don't think the indicator's burned out on this one. Yeah, I think it is. Indicator's burned out since last time I was here. Right now we'll go on to one end there.
Okay.
We're joining with Matthew and James. You see the different panel layout? The other one, this didn't have this. This didn't have this line on the other one. It only had this. It only had a single line on the other elevator, and it had a double line on this elevator right here. Button goes out, and there's your phone. There it goes.
And that's it.